Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. So wedding season has just started and that's the reason today we will learn two designs of innovative hair brooch. I have made these designs in two different colors two and with various beads and you can see diamonds, pearls and so on, which you will really enjoy watching. So if you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And if you are watching my channel for the long time but haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I request you that please press the subscribe button. It costs you nothing but means a lot to me as it is helping me in growing out my channel. So do press that subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So first let's take the base. So I've taken this round base first, and then as is for mehendi, we will take the white green base, and with the help of B7000 glue, we will quickly stick this fabric to the base. Now let's do the design. So you can do any design, guys. As I always say. Over here I added this rectangular shape kundans because I have not used them anywhere and I thought that let's do some design experiment with this, and rather than just using round kundans or leaf kundans, let's use this and let's see how it turned out to be. Now let's make the D name in the middle. So I'll add the D wording first, and I have taken this pearl bead chain over here. You can take any other like golden bead chain or diamond bead chain, whatever you want, or you can also use the kundans if your bride demands so. So first make one straight line, add the pearls, and then do the curve line, and then add the curvy pearls over here. And with this we will make this cute D shape. Now let's do the back finishing work. So here we will add some pearls, golden beads. So I have taken this flat eye pin, and we will add this golden bead over here and then we will stick it. So we will add 5 golden beads in the same way with the help of this flat eye pin. So I'll quickly add them. You can also add the pearl bead or whatever you want. So I'll quickly add them, guys. If you are enjoying my video till now, please do the like button. Once we added these golden beads, we will add long eye pins with the round head, and we will cover this whole base like this, like a little will go down because we have to attach this from the both the sides. So we have to take a big eye pin and we have to keep them like this. And once this has dried up, I have added the back finishing fabric, guys, and this is how our other letters are also ready. And now we will attach them to each other with the help of oxidized chain. So I have taken this oxidized chain with this has with a little like a black shade, and now we will open this down part of D later, and we will I'll what I'll do is I will um, add to both the ends in one side over here like this, and we'll close the loop, and the same I'll do to other side also. So I'll quickly do that. Now let's add to this U part. So now we will open this upper section of this U base, and then we will see where is the mid of this chain, and that mid loop we will add in this one. So be very careful, be very patient, and do it. It's really fun. It's just that it takes a little. It will test your patience. So, but it's worth. As you can see the pictures. So you can see this is how it looks, and in the same way I'll do for all. So guys, I have done this and this is how cute it looks. And now the last part, we will just add the hook over here. So I have taken the S shape hook. You can also take the lobster hook or an earring hook as per whatever you want. All are effective, to make this. So that's it, guys. With this or this cute brooch is ready, and this is how it looks. So for next design, I have taken this hexagon shape and let's cover this with the pink fabric. So again with the help of B7000 glue, we will attach this. So if you are new here guys, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to like, comment and share this video. So now we will add a name of a particular groom over here. So we will make a Aditya name. So for that let's make the A. So I have taken this golden bead chain over here. This is small size golden bead chain, and the way we made the D later, we have to make the A later. So for upcoming wedding season, I'm going to bring lots of jewelry designs for wedding specifically. So stay tuned to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do press the subscribe button, guys. So you can make any variation of A, as there are lots of curves and all A anywhere. So this is how I have made a simple A. Now we'll add some kundans to the angles over here. So I have again added the B7000 glue and we will add this rectangular kundans over here. So we'll add three kundans in total like this. So in the same way guys, I'll quickly add to the other side. So I hope that you guys will share this video with the friends and family. So I have completed this and also I have added the back finishing fabric to that. And in the same way I have completed the other letters of name, other words of name Aditya. So now we will make a hole over here with the help of hole maker, and we will attach pearls to that. So I have made the hole to down part of A and upper part of D, and we will add this gantan mala over here. So this gantan mala is 8 pearls long, and with the help of jump ring we will attach this. So I have added the jump ring in this hole, and we'll add this both ends of gantan mala because we don't want that much long, but we will make a layered one and then close this loop very properly. And also again in this at the same time we'll add to the other side also. So guys, please do me a favor that please follow me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description below. There are a lots of designs of jewelry, pretty jewelry like this on Instagram, so do follow me. And do let me know in the comments below what wordings will you write on this. So you can write anything that you want, as it's as per the demand we have to make it to the bride. Now we are added to the upper section. So in the same way guys, we will add to the down part. So I will add the jump ring first in this, and then we will attach the jump ring to the down part. So if you carefully follow all the instructions guys, this brooch will turn out to be very gorgeous. Now I'll do for all these other letters, and this is how gorgeous it has turned out to be, right? Now we'll add these beads to this down part at the last letter A. So I have taken this Laria and we'll add the zero size pearl bead in that first. Then I have taken this designer bead and we'll add some 2-3 pearl laurels, and this will attach to our this last base. And in the same way guys, we'll add this pink and other white designer bead too. If you don't have designer bead, you can take the normal cloth bead. So I will quickly add them. So this is how stunning this looks, and now we will add the egg-shaped hook again to the upper side. So I have made the hole already, and we'll just open this one hole, one side of egg-shaped hook, and then we'll attach it to the like both the sides. And it's better to add the both sides rather than adding only one, because it should carry the weight of hold the brooch, because it's too big and it has the hook should carry the weight of the brooch. So better you add to the both the sides rather than just adding the one. So that's it guys, with this our brooch is ready, and this has turned out to be very gorgeous and stunning, right? And wedding season is almost here, so do make this for this wedding season and let me know in the comments below how did you like my tutorial. If you like it, do give the thumbs up, share it with your friends and upcoming brides, and also you can provide your valuable feedback in the comments below.